Hello everyone. Today's topic is Resume Revamp, crafting a standout application. In this video, I will going to discuss about how to write your resume, formatting your resume, structuring your resume, tailoring your resume, showcasing your achievements, creating a professional email address, and conclusion. In today's competitive job market, having a well-crafted resume can make all the difference in landing your dream job. Your resume is often the first impression you make on potential employers, and it is essential that it showcases your skills, experience, and achievements in the best possible light. Enhancing your resume writing skills can help you stand out from the crowd and increase your chances of getting hired. By learning how to write an effective resume, you can highlight your strengths and accomplishments while demonstrating your professionalism and attention to detail. In this presentation, we will cover the key steps involved in writing a winning resume, including formatting, structuring, and tailoring your resume to the job you are applying for. How to write your resume? Writing a resume can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to gather all the information you need, such as your work history, education, and skills. Once you have this information, you can begin crafting your resume. When writing your resume, it's important to keep in mind the job you are applying for and tailor for your resume accordingly. This means highlighting the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the job. Additionally, you should use strong action verbs and quantify your achievements whenever possible to make your resume stand out. Now, we are coming to the point, formatting your resume. Formatting your resume is just as important as the content itself. A well-formatted resume can make a great first impression on potential employers, while a poorly formatted one can turn them off immediately. When it comes to formatting, consistency is key. Use the same font throughout your resume and ensure that the size is consistent as well. In addition to font and size, there are other formatting elements to consider. Make sure your margins are even and that there is enough white space to make your resume easy to read. Bullet points can also be an effective way to make your resume more visually appealing and highlight important information. Structuring your resume. When it comes to structuring your resume, there are a few key sections that you should always include. These sections include your contact information, a professional summary or objective statement, your work experience, education skills, and any relevant certification or awards. It's important to structure each section of your resume in a clear and concise way. Use bullet points to highlight your accomplishments and responsibilities in each job, and make sure to use action verbs to describe your achievements. When it comes to your education and skills, List them in order to relevance to the job you are applying for. The specimen resume is seen aside here. When it comes to tailoring your resume, it's important to remember that one size does not fit all. A generic resume may not showcase your skills and experience effectively for the specific job you are applying for. Instead, take the time to research the company and the job description and tailor your resume accordingly. One way to do this is by highlighting the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the job. Use keywords from the job description to help your resume stand out to recruiters and hiring managers. Additionally, consider customizing your objective or summary statement to align with the job requirements and show how you can contribute to the company's goals. How to showcase your achievements? When it comes to showcasing your achievements on your resume, it is important to be specific and provide concrete examples. Rather than simply listing your job duties, highlight specific accomplishments that demonstrate your skills and abilities. For example, instead of saying managed a team of employees, you could say led a team of 10 employees to increase sales by 20% in one quarter. This not only shows what you did, but also the impact it had. Another way to showcase your achievements is to quantify them whenever possible. Use numbers and statistics to show the results of your work. For instance, increased website traffic by 50% through SEO optimization in search more impactful than improved website traffic through SEO optimization. Remember, your resume is a marketing tool, so use it to sell yourself and your accomplishment. Now, when it comes to job hunting, your email address can make or break your chances of getting hired. A professional email address not only looks more polished, but it also shows that you take your career seriously. Avoid using email addresses that are unprofessional or inappropriate, such as partyanimal@email.com or hoststuffforyou@email.com. Instead, create an email address that includes your first and last name or some variation thereof. For example, johnsmith@email.com or j.smith@email.com. If your name is already taken, try adding numbers or using your middle initial. Remember to keep it simple and easy to remember. In conclusion, we have learned that enhancing our resume writing skills is crucial in today's competitive job market. Writing an effective resume involves several steps, including formative structuring and tailoring it to the job we are applying for. We also discuss the importance of showcasing our achievements and creating a professional email address. By following these guidelines, we can increase our chances of getting noticed by potential employers and landing our dream job. Thank you.